Do you like poi? You won't let it go, will it? Charles Michael too deep in. So happy eating. It's like, this is what I've been missing my entire life. All 4 months of it. Milk, milk, milk. Give me some poi. Hey, buddy. Well, you probably have a hard time throwing this up. Oh. Poi, poi, poi. Oh, the poi is big already. The poi.
Daddy.
Yeah. Put it close to his mouth.
Daddy.
There you go.
Oh, Carolina.
Yeah. Hey, poi baby.
Daddy.
Yeah, Carolina. Are you brother eating poi?
Boy.
Yeah. Do you want some poi?
No.
You were eating poi as a baby. He grabs a
I
spoon,
was a baby
shoves it in his mouth.
when I was a baby.
Good. Solid, boss. Solid. Kanaka attack the poi. Woo! Oh, Carolina.